Welcome, I'm Joanne, and I'm here to show you how to use the shortcut key for deleting rows in Excel. This video tutorial will walk you through the steps you need to take to make the most out of this useful feature. So let's get started. To quickly and easily delete a row from a data table, select the row by clicking on it on the left side. We can quickly remove a row by using the Ctrl and -sign hotkey. Yes, this keyboard shortcut is a great way to quickly delete multiple rows in one go. To delete multiple rows, first select the ones you want to remove. Then, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-key to delete them. You're all set. All the rows that were chosen have been successfully removed. If you're looking for additional helpful shortcuts for Excel, check out Sheet Leveler's video tutorials for great tips. The tutorial instructions can be found in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.